Hello everyone, Ye A. So for today lesson, I would like to do very simple thing that I is very important for the topic of method in the method of creating web pages. It's about web browser. So there is a different kinds of web browser. It's basically a software that translate all the HTML code into something that people can read. So in order to access all the information on the internet, you must use a web browser. For this lesson, what I want you to do is I just want you to identify information about your web browser. So in order to do so, while you listening to this video or while you're opening your Edmodo or other website, you can go up. There is a name for your web browser you use it. So for this one is Chrome, and maybe you use a different one. So it will display the name of your web browser. So in order to find the information about the web browser, is only one success criteria for this lesson. Is you just go to the name of the web browser, and there is a on top of the menu. If you click on it, click left click on it, and there is a about the name of the web browser, and you click on it. And for example, this one for Google Chrome, and then you can enlarge. You can use your mouse to scroll it up down, or you can view it, make it bigger, zoom in or zoom out. So what I want going to do is make it a bigger, and I want to take picture the information of your browser. So take a clear picture of this and then submit at any time by this Friday. If you have any problem, you still can ask me or message me privately. Thank you.